Hello, and welcome to another SprutCAM tutorial brought to you by Tormach. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show how to chamfer the edge of a part. So you'll notice the model here, got chamfers all the way around it. So first thing that you're going to want to do is create a 2D contouring operation. Then you either want to double click it or highlight and hit parameters. And we want to make our tool. I find using an engraver is the best way to do this. Creating tools with an engraver is nice, especially when you've got the angle there on the end, because if you use a certain tool, like we use a drill mill, you can use that to spot, you can use that for chamfering. And if you make it as an engraver, you can use that tool in both hole machining operations and 2D contouring operations. So you're going to hit cylindrical mill, engraver. We're going to do a 1/2 inch engraver, and it's going to be 90-degree included angle on it because the chamfer is at 45 degrees. So chamfer. Name that tool 1, and diameter is 1/2 inch. The angle 485. And diameter is 0. You don't need to worry about the big H. That will automatically update when you do the angle and the little d, which is the diameter of the tip. Alright, so we're going to use that tool. Now we want to add a contact point. This is so that way it follows the curve that we're going to select, not on this point, but up on the side. And that just leaves a cleaner cut. So you're going to want to go to contact point, height, and we're going to do 100 thou, 0.1. I'm not going to worry about feeds and speeds. Parameters, safe level 0.05, 50 thou. The top level, bottom level, I'll set those in the job assignment. We're going to set this to a quantity of 2 is fine. Strategy. I'm actually going to leave it how it is. I am going to turn helical machining on so it slowly works its way down. So hit OK. We now want to go to job assignment over here. And we're going to select the bottom edge of this. I'm going to turn faces off so I just have edges on. Hold down Control. Come on now. Go, hit curve. So you'll see the green line around it that shows that it's going to follow those curves. We want to make a top level and a bottom level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep edges on and just click that top edge and say top level, click the bottom edge and say bottom level. So now it knows to only go from there to there. Now I can hit run, go to simulation, and hit play. Now let's see what this does. Comes around. And hey, that actually didn't come out too bad. Now what you can do is you'll notice that this is going to round that a little bit. And I'm guessing as that is why this is erroring out. Or it's because it's in the table. Let's raise this up here quick. I've shown this in another video, but you can highlight the Tormach 2012, hit the setup, hit global coordinate system, and move this up out of there. Hit OK. Reset, run, and let's fast simulate this. Alright, so that actually came out pretty good. If you don't want it to round these edges though, you'll come back into strategy and hit by tangent. And you will notice that squares it up for you. So we'll reset it and see if we get any difference. Nope, none in this that I can see, so that turned out pretty good. This concludes another SprutCAM tutorial brought to you by Tormach.